I always want to add a magnetic filter to my central heating system. Because the pipes are mounted on the ceiling, there is not enough space for maintenance. So it's very hard to find a suitable filter. Recently, I found the Phonox TF1 Omega filter, which has a rotatable body. It's ideal for the ceiling mount pipes. The one I choose is Phonox TF1 Omega filter with valve. It has two extra stop valves for easy maintenance. The installation process is actually very simple. Switch off the boiler. Turn off the top-up valve to the central heating. Connect the hose pipe to the drain-off valve. Drain the central heating system. Locate the installation pipe. I will show you in the later video for how to find a suitable installation location. Remove the insulation of the pipe. Mark 200 mm cutout length on the pipe. There is no cutout length detailed in the instruction, so I work it out based on my measurement and calculation. Please see my other video for details of how I work out the cutout length. Put the pipe cutter at the mark. Turn slowly while tightening slowly. Soon the pipe will be cut through. A small amount of water may flow out during the cutting process. Use a bucket prepared in advance to catch the water. Put the nut first, then the copper washer. Then put the valve screw on but not tighten up. The valve on the other side can be fixed to the filter body in advance. The drain valve is also installed in advance. This can reduce difficult high operations. Put the left nut and copper washer. Attach the filter to the nut on the left. Put rubber washer between the valve and the filter body. Screw the valve to the filter. There is an arrow on the filter body, which needs to be in the same direction as the water flow. Move the filter left and right to make the similar slack on both sides. You need to tighten the nut connecting filter and valve first. to reduce the tension on the pipe. Finally, tighten the nut connected to the pipes. Insert the magnetic core. The installation is now finished. I also installed a tap quick connector to allow easy maintenance and drainage. Now let's talk about the filter install location. The manufacturer recommends that the filter be installed on the return pipe close to the boiler. This is the installation diagram for the open vent heating system. This is the diagram for the sealed heating system. If you have any questions, please leave a message below. I hope this video is helpful. Please click like and subscribe to support me. Thank you.